I'm putting him to work, y'all.
I've been fucked up since 10 a.m.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, baby. You won't break my soul. You won't, oh, baby, baby.
Let me see you on the inside. Mwah. Mwah. No bars. We about to kayak, y'all. We actually we always wanted to kayak, but we also want to do this with our fitness team, you know, just to switch it up. So we want to do it beforehand. And, you know, that way we have the logistics, you know, the cost, all that stuff. And, you know, we know how to, you know, do our team. Now, I have baby kayaked one time, and it was like, for like 3 seconds, I turned around. I was like, what the fuck? Because the kayak was small one.
I feel like the state park would be a must.
Oh, stop trying to. State park, schmate park. You in water, you in water. Hell. Trying to prolong this situation. This is right up the street.
Oh my God. Okay. Whatever you say, boss.
So that's what we're doing today. Yeah. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a good time. The song really still isn't out.
But it's good enough. That's the thing.
Right, that's why I had to put my shades on.
It is sunny, but it's cloudy, so it's a good balance.
It's a great balance, actually.
It is a great balance. That's why I wanted to ride my bicycle, because the weather is perfect.
And you still can. Let's just get this kayaking out the way.
Okay.
Let's get this kayaking out the way.
So we have the George English Park.
Look at how calm the water is.
The water is calm.
You will be fine.
The water is calm. You're right.
Exactly. We're gonna have a great Sunday because we'll be back at work tomorrow.
Right back.
Right back. You go further down. And we are coming up on it, y'all, so we'll see y'all. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. We'll see what I can get.
Oh, child. You gotta be all hands on deck.
So let's go ahead.
I know what you're
Get to
talking about.
We'll see y'all in a
I
few.
guess I could just try it.
You guys looking to rent some kayaks?
Yes.
You guys looking for singles or tandems?
Tandems. That's the double, right?
Yep.
Yeah. We are about to kayak.
Yes, y'all. So we already
Ready.
doing
We
this
ready.
water.
Y'all look at our kayak. Basic anxiety is going on.
Have anxiety. Show them where we about to go.
Alright, I'm about to show y'all
Tell
our
them
view.
If you guys want, you guys can leave your shoes and socks here.
Yeah.
It's completely up to you. I can put the kayak to where, like,
Yeah.
you guys don't get them wet, but they will get a little wet because
No,
it's
it's
a
okay.
kayak. It's pretty easy. And here's your paddle.
Thank you.
Have fun, guys.
Yes, in opposite direction.
Yeah, look at that. Y'all, I'm putting him to work, y'all. AJ is steering us. How are you feeling, babe? Awesome, just chilling. Yeah. You're doing good. Is this your first time? Oh.
Y'all look up there. You better put in work. Put in work. Put in work. Work. Do right. Again. Alright, y'all.
I'll get into the houses. People got their boats. Very, very beautiful.
What up, y'all?
So we finished kayaking, y'all.
That was so much fucking fun. Wow. I really
Kayaking
can't
was
believe we
lit.
never did it before.
Yeah, I'm glad we went. We definitely had a good time, y'all.
It wasn't
It was like,
amazing
wow.
time.
Then you can see all the houses and
I'm like,
it's
damn,
very
I can't wait to
peaceful.
do this again. That's
And that
really
shit
how I
was a
felt.
fucking workout, y'all.
It
It
was a
was
workout.
definitely a workout.
Bet you gotta be paddling.
You're right.
Whoosh,
I wonder if
whoosh,
everybody
whoosh.
gonna get it.
Oh, child, they better. I bet you if you flip, that's on you. You signing waivers with them. Man, nothing to do with me. Control your shit. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun
Not
time.
drown.
I can't wait.
All right. I was like, oh, we got this. We figured it out.
Hopefully, our guidance goes a long way.
That's another thing we haven't did before. All the way 5 years later, finally doing
Yeah,
it.
we did together, yeah. Damn. So yeah, phenomenal experience.
Let me see how much. I'm at 651 calories.
Well, I didn't put shit on. I mean, it doesn't make sense anyway.
That wasn't even in the whole thing. Like, I started into it when I turned it on, so
Yeah.
probably was better than that. Who knows? But yeah, thank y'all for sticking around. We ain't really got nothing else to say.
So we're gonna go home and chill.
Don't
We're
forget to
supposed
like,
go
comment, and
Kerry today.
subscribe. That's what y'all can do. If you haven't done it yet, do that. And we will see y'all next week.
Third floor and one on my fifth floor. So the one on my third floor is our next to the largest. It's 1151 square feet. On both of these units, we do have a 2-month special that's going on currently right now. So I'll show you those 2 units.
Cool.
So this is our tutu, like it's the largest. So behind the door you have a tool closet that you can use as secondary storage if you choose to. Then behind this door is your full size washer and dryer there.
Alright, nice. Okay.
So then you come around the corner, you have your first full bathroom connected to your first full bedroom.
Okay. That's a tough.
Okay, tough.
Okay, cool. Yeah, it's a big sink. Big vanity.
Yeah.
And there is a closet.
And here goes the
This is the bedroom?
Yeah, here goes the bedroom.
Okay, so this is the second bedroom.
Okay, view.
Yeah. Cute.
I'm glad they got parking.
So this is the closet for this bedroom?
Yes. You have your pantry there. That's just your hot water here AC unit.
Okay.
And then you have your kitchen area, so you have your island, all your stainless steel appliances, pork countertops, backsplash, double fridge, ice water filtration system, all of your cabinets and doors close silently.
And this is the corner.
Yes, it's closed out here, and then you have a wraparound balcony.
Yeah. And it has the island.
The only thing is you can't put bar stools here because you have no lift for people to be able to, that's the only thing.
True. It's still like it's definitely a nice island though. I like the fact that they wrap around.
Flower room outside.
Yeah.
This window.
Trash. What you stupid. This is the third floor? This is the third. Okay. And are the bathroom? This is the master. Okay, let's go.
You have your walk-in closet and your ensuite bathroom in here.
Okay. Okay, so this view is much better.
Yeah.
Okay. The window. That's a big size window.
Ooh. Oh, it's a double.
So this is where all the love is. Okay, now we're talking. Like, okay,
Yes.
cool. This is nice.
That's my favorite part about this. Y'all,
Yes.
I wish we had this in our place right now.
This is very much deserving of yes. Okay, and the shower is nice. It's closed. Yes. Okay, and you also have a big closet. So
Shout out the ghetto, but okay.
A lot of space.
Oh yeah, this definitely is a lot of space.
Yeah, this is good.
Okay.
So literally all the love is over here.
Yeah, we love
Give
the.
anything over there.
This is okay. Leo'll be okay.
Yeah,
Leo'll be okay.
the kitchen is
And the stove is stoving, child.
Yeah.
Stoving.
Yeah, cool.
That's nice. And this is the third floor.
Yeah.
Okay.
I do like this unit. I don't like the view. But it's beautiful.
Right.
I can't really see the other one.
So we have this unit in which they work out. You have views of the north, west, and south while you're in here. It wraps completely around the studio. Then we have in the corner. So we also have some echelon reflex mirrors on the wall. So if you want your own personal trainer, all you have to do is tap the string right there. So water filtration system to your left, cupping holes locked from above. You don't have to place your personal items on the floor. Directly outside this window is a way that wraps around the complete top portion of the building. So if you just want to walk around there at night, you're more than welcome to. It also connects to our yoga room. So
Items at lower level and behind the Tony is just across the buffalo. Press 1. If an alligator is having a fit, go. Press 2.
the 2024 Tacoma. Let's go. The 5-foot deep, it is a heated temperature pool.
You asked about fast.
Over here to
When
the
you
left
have
is
pets,
Okay, hot tub.
just in. Call the Orchid Pro. With over 120 years of experience,
Are we back? So we wanted to give you guys our thoughts
It
on the
was
place.
nice. It was nice. I can't take that away.
Right. It was nice. Oh, for rent. I suppose.
Maybe it's a duplex. Fair than neighbor.
But yeah, it was cute or whatever. But
It was cute. I
at
don't
the
think
end
it
of the
was
day,
worth
the
the
day
price.
gotta end.
Yeah, I don't think it was worth the price.
Definitely not worth the price and the location.
And
Like,
the
you got to think
views.
about where we at right now. We are
Yeah.
downtown,
Yeah,
and that would have cost more than our apartment now.
yeah.
No. It's that simple.
No,
Yeah.
and the amenities was cute, but ours still, we get more.
We get more. Everything
Yeah,
about
we
our
get
apartment
more,
was
we
better.
just get more.
Right.
Views is, wasn't viewing.
Once again.
I was winning once again.
What?
Every time we try to move, every time.
Every time. And that's not even including the dog fee. I'm pretty sure that would make the rent go up
I'm
more.
sure they have like a $500 deposit and a $35 or $40 monthly
Fee on top of that.
on top of that, plus trash, plus whatever else.
Oh,
Girl, if I want to pay close to $4,000, I'm gonna go to Miami
right.
and be downtown Miami up on the fucking 40th floor.
But it was a nice place. It
But
just
it was
wasn't
nice.
the
It
place
just wasn't
for us. So.
It was nice. It was modern. The amenities was nice. It was decent.
So yeah, we'll see you on the inside.
Mwah.
No bars. Welcome back. And y'all, we are outside, and as you can see, happy Pride, y'all.
Pride. We was outside.
Happy Pride.
Pride.
And we ready to have a good time. We got our homies in the back with us.
Kerry and Cole in the back.
Outside.
Two of our friends, married
Right.
couple.
Another married couple, yes.
And we outside to enjoy the festivities and
Right.
Stonewall Pride in Wilton Manors.
Yes.
So this is one of the biggest prides in Florida, period.
Yes, it is.
We do come every single year.
All right, we gonna show y'all what we see. Okay.
I've been fucked up since 10 a.m. Y'all pray for me.
Happy Pride, friend. All right, we'll see you. Y'all did great. In love, hey. We gon' fuck up tonight. That time of day. Look at a birthday boy. Turning up. We got you outside. We about to get you fucked up. I want you to be on a corner. Why? Because it's your birthday. The fuck? You made it another year. We are outside, y'all. Our Fist Face team is here, y'all. We outside. Day to day. What's up, y'all? We have our friends. We out here. Y'all, this is another Gemini. So I'm pretty sure
Y'all remember
they
last
are
year?
born on the same day, y'all.
Last year, y'all remember?
year.
Same day, same year. They're birthday twins. And y'all, this is who we are partnering with. His ego brand, his safe space. It's coming soon, y'all. And let me show y'all the gear. Friend, just know we are so proud of you and everything that you're doing. And it definitely keeps us motivated to do what we do. And Fist Safe Space / his ego brand coming soon, y'all.
Yes, sir, 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 reminder.
Cunt to the feminine what? To the feminine what? Feminine cunt. Feminine see what? Feminine soft cunt to the cunt. Feminine soft cunt to the what cunt? Feminine soft cunt to the cunt.
I'm a lover burning all the dagger from the words that you said. Dancing in the mirror, kiss my scars because I love what they made. She's a hero. She survived. She been through. I suggest you don't fuck with my sis. Ooh, she comfortable.
As you should. Happy Pride, fellas. Well, I guess we'll cheers to KP Nation. Cheers, y'all.